the best spring salads to refresh your diet. Spring is here. With sunshine and blooming gardens, what better way to embrace the season than refreshing your diet with vibrant, flavorful salads? Say goodbye to dull dishes and let your taste buds dance with these colorful, satisfying recipes perfect for any meal. Are you ready to transform everyday greens into show-stopping delights? Let's dive in. Spring is the perfect time to take full advantage of nature's bounty. Think crisp spinach, peppery arugula, juicy strawberries, crunchy asparagus, and tender peas. These fresh picks will form the heart of your spring salad creations. We'll showcase how to wash, chop, and prep these seasonal wonders, turning them into vibrant works of art. Nature has done the hard work for us. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Let's start with a fan favorite, strawberry spinach salad. Pair succulent strawberries with leafy spinach, creamy feta, and crunchy candied pecans. Drizzle on a tangy homemade balsamic vinaigrette, whisk together with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, and a hint of Dijon. Watch as the colors pop and the flavors blend into sweet, salty harmony, perfect for a quick lunch or side dish. Next up, channel your inner foodie with a green goddess bowl. Toss together a mix of fresh arugula, steamed asparagus spears, edamame, and sliced avocado for a powerhouse of nutrients. Our dressing? A luscious green goddess sauce made from yogurt, fresh herbs, garlic, and lemon juice. Creamy, zesty, and oh so delicious, this salad screams springtime perfection. Bring the sunshine to your plate with a citrus garden medley. Combine mixed greens, oranges, grapefruit segments, and thinly sliced radishes for a zesty salad bursting with flavor. Add some crunchy pistachios and drizzle on a honey citrus vinaigrette. It's tangy, light, and refreshing. The ultimate no-fuss pick-me-up for your palate. The true magic of any salad lies in the dressing. These simple yet flavorful blends elevate your greens to gourmet status. Get creative. Add a hint of garlic for zest, mustard for punch, or honey for sweetness. Always shake or whisk your ingredients to emulsify the flavors into perfection. Your salads deserve nothing but the best. Half the joy of a great salad is how it looks. Layer your greens, add toppings in neat clusters for an artisanal touch, and drizzle your dressing right before serving to preserve the crunch. Play with colors and textures on a white plate. Your creation will look as good as it tastes. A stunning salad invites everyone to dig in. Not only do these spring salads taste amazing, they're packed with nutrients to energize your body and brighten your day. From fiber-rich greens to vitamin-packed citrus, these recipes fuel your health without compromising on flavor. Spring is all about renewal, and your menu deserves a fresh start too. Add one or all of these salads to your rotation and feel the difference. Ready to transform your kitchen into a springtime wonderland? Grab your freshest finds and let creativity guide you. Follow this video step by step, master these vibrant salads, and impress family and friends with your colorful creations. Don't stop here. Why not share your favorite variations with us in the comments? Let's spread the spring salad love. Like and subscribe for more. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our blog for more in-depth guides, /lifeandwork.blog/. Comment below. Your next plate of inspiration awaits. Let's refresh your diet today.